The ARNHOLD family, in memory of Henry and Clarisse ARNHOLD. The FAIRWEATHER Foundation. The Kate W. Cassidy Foundation, Sue and Edgar Wackenheim III. Kathy Chow and Ken Howe. Charles Rosenblum. The Philomen M. D'Agostino Foundation. The LILLIAN Goldman Charitable Trust. Leonard and Norma KLORFINE. Sandra Atlas Bass. Colin S. Edwards. The Greg Peters MONSEES Foundation. Ku and Patricia YUEN, committed to bridging cultural differences in our communities. Funding for this episode was provided by Nature is also made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.